Okay guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I just want to show you how this week can deliver to you over 100 pips, or let me say like 150 pips on CADJPY, on CADJPY. So just follow through. I'm gonna be quite quick with this analysis. Now if you look at it on the monthly charts, you're gonna see how that CAD is trending upward. Okay, so before it goes upward, we have like a little bit of a consolidation. We have a little bit of a consolidation here. You understand? It's a big range, but also it's a consolidation. So, but it's going up. We see it from here. Market starts to trend up from here. We can see the trend starts from around here, and it starts to go up. Okay, so we can say that this market is obviously in a bullish move. Okay, we can say it's obviously in a bullish move. So what do we see on the monthly? For example, what can we see on the monthly? I can see that market takes this high here. Market takes the high there. Yeah, market took the high. So immediately it takes the high. If you understand the law, what do you expect? You should expect a retracement. Okay, a retracement before it continues upward if it wants to go up. So if I expect a retracement, the question will be, where do I expect it to retrace to? Where do I expect it to retrace to? Okay, I cite a fair value gap here, and I'm expecting the market to retrace inside the fair value gap. I marked this some weeks ago. I just want to start the analysis right from the beginning so that it won't look confusing to you. You will know how I arrive at where. So I was expecting the market to come here. Now it did enter into this. So the next thing I would look for is that, are there signs, indications that this market wants to go up, or are there signs, indications that this market wants to continue lower? So the next thing for me to do is to drop to a much lower time frame, which is on the weekly here. Okay, let me expand it out. Let's see. So on the weekly, look at the chart. So price entered the fair value gap for how many weeks now? It's been there this 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, 6 weeks, 7th week, 8th week. Okay, that's like 2 months. So it was gyrating around that area for like 2 months. So on this weekly like this, it has not really shown a very clear indication. Okay, because it has not taken any high yet. So if I go to the daily time frame, yeah, I believe the daily time frame is a little clearer. Is a little clearer. So what can you see on the daily time frame? I can see like a three drive pattern. This one takes a liquidity. This low here takes out, we can say it entered into that fair value gap. Then this one takes out the liquidity. Then this one takes out the liquidity. Then this one did the final taking of liquidity. Then the market rallied high. Okay, so as the market rallied high, now this is Friday's trading. This last candle is Friday's trading. Then this is Thursday. Then this is Wednesday. Then this is Tuesday. Then this is Monday. So 2 weeks ago we have this rally here, this green candle here that this thing is on it. We have this rally here. So it was not really convincing. So we're waiting, okay, throughout this last week, that what exactly will CADJPY do. Though in my group, my friends and I that did analysis, we expected it to come to this order block. Okay, to come to this order block. And as the market entered into this order block, look at the rejection it had. So it's come to that order block. Then at the same time, we can have something like a failed swing here. Some of you might not understand because you are not used to institutional trading. Maybe you are the support and resistance type and all of those kind of things. It really doesn't matter. But what matters is that you should learn the right thing. So that's what I can say for now. Let me focus on my video. Now, I have like a failed swing there. So if I have like a failed swing there, that gives me an indication that okay, this market wants to rally. And again, this rejection from this order block, it's quite interesting. So that's a good sign for me. And when the market opened on Monday, it just went straight ahead for this high. It went straight ahead for this high. Okay, took out these highs, then took out this other high too, in case you want to reference it. Took out this other high. Okay, took out this other high. So that means that it's giving indication that this market wants to go bullish. That's the indication it's giving, that the market wants to go bullish. And what exactly can I see? For example, now it's like the market formed like an equal high. If you look at this series of candles here, it's like they have an equal body like that. But okay, let's say we should ignore that for now. Let me delete this. We should ignore that for now. Let's drop to a 4-hour time frame. Now this is the 4-hour time frame. Let's make it look more beautiful. Now this is the rejection you were seeing on the daily time frame. Quite interesting, right? Now on the 4-hour time frame, the next thing we're going to ask is that let's look at the beginning of the week. The beginning of the week last week, so that we can make some reference. That's on Monday, right? That's on Monday. That's Sunday. That's Monday, 1 o'clock. So that's the beginning of trading on Monday. Look at what happened. Market traded down into the order block here and it rejects. Notice this line I drew here was the failure swing it had on the daily time frame. So it repeated the same thing and created another failure swing here also. You see that? It created another failure swing there, which is interesting. So it gave me indication that this market wants to go up. So what did I see? I see a break of market structure here. The market took out the highs here. That's interesting for me. That's very, very interesting. So if I should say this market should rally up, since I understand the concept of liquidity, how that the market is seeking liquidity, the question will be, where do I expect this market to reach for? Where do I expect this market to reach for? Let me go back to the daily time frame so that it won't look too tiny. Go back to the daily time frame. So one of the places I will expect the market to reach for is this high. This high. Yeah. The high there. Then I would expect the market to come for these two. Okay, I would expect the market to come for this one, to come for this area. Then okay, let me try and do something. Let me delete this. Drop down back. Okay, my first expectation will be the high of last week. Okay, the high of last week. So basically I'm saying the beginning of this candle, the high of last week. So what's the high of last week? Here it is. This is the high of last week. Okay, so that's my first. That'll be one of the objectives I will target. Yeah, Have one of the objectives I'll target. Let me return this line there. No. Okay, let me drop down to back to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame now, you can obviously see that. Where was I'm looking for Monday? Monday 1, that's it. So right there. Right there. This was what I used for the break of market structure. Let me return it. Okay. Yeah, there. So I expect the market to come to this first line, to this second line, to attack those areas. So the question will be, look at where the market is now. Where will I buy this market from if I want to buy it? If I want to buy this market, for instance, where will I buy it from? Let me draw a line here just to show that this thing took out liquidity. Okay? It took out liquidity. That's clear. So where will I buy from? Actually, if I want to buy this market now, I will be looking for entry here. Why am I looking for entry here? That's a breaker, and that's also another block. What's a breaker? What's another block? I won't talk about that in this video. Okay, so if I drop to a 1-hour time frame, look at what I have. If you know what a breaker is, you would have seen it that, oh, that's a nice breaker. Okay, and that's also a discount price. That's also a discount price. Though it can have more discount, but immediately markets get to that blue line, I will be waiting to buy the market. I will not just buy exactly hit the blue line. I will also wait, because the market can also drop down here. The market can also drop down here. You understand that? It can also drop down here. Yeah. So I'll basically wait if conditions are right. You understand? To buy inside this range. So immediately price enters the blue line, I'll start to look for bullish signatures. Okay, so, and if let's assume I enter the market here, that's 97.87 thereabout. I entered 97.87. My first take profit will be at this high. That's 98.54 thereabout. So that's around like 60 or 61 pips thereabout. Okay. By the time it gets to this other high, that's 98.86. That's around 97 pips. Okay. By the time it finally gets to where I'm expecting it to get to, at least this week, that's 99.2 something. That's more than 100 pips already. Okay, that's more than 100 pips. So this market this week, CADJPY this week, I think it's a very interesting market, and it is going to pay. It's going to deliver. I love what it has done here. Okay, so I believe it's going to deliver. So when will the market come to this line? That's what I don't know. So when you hear they talk about be patient in Forex and all of those kind of things, this is what is being talked about. I don't know when. The market might open on Monday and decide to go up first. Do you understand? And decide to go up. At least maybe just go look for whatever it likes up there. And the market might open on Monday and be coming down to the line. And the market might open on Monday and just be consolidating. Do you understand? So from Tuesday, we might start to see an expansion or thereabout. But there is one thing I know. The market is coming to this blue line. Okay? And when the market reach the blue line, the market will move up. Except the market has hit these objectives that I draw up here, if the market has achieved those objectives before it's coming down, then there's nothing I can do. Then the trade becomes invalid. But if it has not achieved, maybe the market come to this one, for instance, okay, the markets come here, I still know that the market can still go up here. So if it comes here and then now come back to this blue line, I'll look for blue signature and still enter the market, because I know it will still deliver for me. Okay, so I already got confirmation. Last week was the confirmation. And what was the confirmation? Look at when the market opened last week. Look at how the market traded down, and traded down into the other block here and find rejection. So I'm expecting something like that to happen again. And remember, I told you on the monthly, on the weekly, when we looked at it, the market was in a bullish move. Do you understand? So I'm expecting bullish price movement. So I believe it's going to deliver. So also do your analysis and make sure that you always manage your risk. Okay, always manage your risk. I've done the analysis of on USD JPY and USD CHF. If I see likes on this video that impress me, I will do pre-market analysis on those already. I already did for EURUSD and GBPUSD, so we are expecting that to play out also. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider subscribing, turn on notification, and give a thumbs up to the video. It goes a long way to encourage me. And you can always share this with your friends in your Forex group and all the likes when you want people to be profitable. Okay, and my knowledge is credited to ICT, the inner circle trader. He actually inspired me and I learned a lot from him. So I will always be grateful for that, and I love to make recommendations or comments about him in my video. So till next time, we'll see you again this week. Thank you.